Hi, this is Isha Sharma, and you're watching me on Viral Bollywood. As such, it's been almost 3 years, and yeah, it's been 3 years now.
तो बॉम्बे में ऐसी कौन सी प्लेसेस है जो आपको बहुत पसंद है?
और डिपेंडिंग अपॉन अगर जैसे नाइट आउट के लिए जाना है, सो देर आर डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड फॉर ब्रंच इट्स डिफरेंट एंड फॉर जस्ट चिलिंग आउट विद फ्रेंड्स एंड हैंगिंग आउट, it's different. But if you really if you really think about it, I live in Andheri, so Andheri West and nearby, whenever you want to feel like catching up with friends, there are a lot of places nearby, but I think one of my favorites is Hymas.
तो आज हम हाइमस
Ji haan, that is one of the reasons also we are in Hymas, because it is one of those places where it's not just you can chill with your friends, it's like अगर आपको night out के लिए जाना है, it's good. You want to chill in the evening and sit down and just talk, it's great. And you want to have a good dinner, it's like it's kind of all in one. So that way Hymas is very special, and it's very nearby, it's just 10 minutes from my house. So yeah. Yeah, so I want to thank you, Sakshi, for this amazing, thank you for chocolates, thank you so much. And ये मुझे actually 7th episode के बाद there is a group of fans who sent me this, and I want to thank them so much. Sakshi and her friends, they have this Isha Sharma and family, there's this FC on Instagram, and they're very sweet. They've been sweet enough to love me since I started working in Jamai. And after probably seeing the 7th episode of Twisted, which is probably the most gruesome episode, but they've really sent their love with these chocolates and these lovely flowers. And I've got another chocolates as well, another box of it. So thank you so much. Thank you guys.
अच्छा रुक 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 या
हाइमस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
Hymas is really nice. You can see it's amazing. I really like the interiors and the feel of it. And it's one of my favorite places in Andheri. And because I live here, तो घर के बहुत पास है ये. And मतलब it's an anytime joint. Like you want to chill here, you want to throw a private party, you want to just have a great night out, but you don't want to go very far. I mean, Bandra and town has really nice places, but I'm talking about Andheri West, and there are a lot of young crowd that lives here, and I think Hymas is one of the places to go to, because it's just just look around the interiors. I just love these these chandeliers that are in this bird cages. Can you just have a look at this? Can you just turn around? Like, see those chandeliers, and I think its interiors is amazing, and I love the work that they've done here, like this indie art and graffiti that they've done. So otherwise the ambience and the interiors are very nice. Also, the fact that it's, as I said, it's an all day joint, in the sense that it opens up around 4, but it goes on till 1:32. So when you want to just start up your evenings early on the weekend, you can sit here and chill, or suddenly you make a point कि हमें night out के लिए जाना है, and you also want to have a good dinner. So this is the place to come to, and I think that's why for Andheri, and it's nearby, I think it's one of the places to come to, Hymas.
हाइमस में का आपका फेवरेट फूड कौन सा है?
Hymas में generally, if I am thinking about कि ठीक है, I wanna sometimes I don't really drink much, but in case I ever do, so it's got this amazing 7 Allen iced tea, and it's really nice. And when it comes to food, I'm not one of those people who are into starters and all. I think I directly jump to the main course, and they've got Gallo Pinto, which is amazing. If people really like to try different kind of cuisines, Gallo Pinto is the one to go for in Hymas. Just look around, and I think it's really nice. Yeah.